Hey, what up YouTube? Today on my RC channel we got this Pro-line bodied Drag Bug. It's a team associated DR10 ready to run, which you can score from A-Main Hobbies for $200 right now. $200! That's insane. So I bought one, and so did my father-in-law, and we're gonna drag race. But I've done a few test hits on this. I realize everybody has a video. Everybody and their auntie has a video about these DR10s because of it. So I decided just to go ahead and make it my own, and I'm gonna be doing this bug body. So this video is gonna be about trimming this Pro-line body and fitting it to the DR10. Ready to run. Pro-line bodies are pretty nice. They're just pretty nice. Look at that. All that detail. It's got the wrap so that you can paint it. And it doesn't jack up the paint on the outside. This thing has a little engine in there. It's pretty cool. Get this thing cut out and see how she fits. Alright, so I got this thing not entirely cut out, but basically cut out so I could kind of see how it sits on the car. It looks to me like these back body posts are going to be in a decent location to mount this thing up, but the front here is going to be an issue. Alright guys, so I installed the alternative body mount. I did have to remove the nerf bars because the body sits a little narrow on this shaft. But it looks like it's gonna work out here. This body has some dimples right here and here that seem to line right up with the body posts on the DR10. So I'm just gonna use those. The Pro-line bug body comes with a pretty crazy wing. A lot of stuff to cut out. But so far so good. Keep on keeping on. Alright guys, well I got this body all trimmed up and sanded. Got the wing assembled and everything fits good. I'm pretty stoked with the way it fits. So now I just have to pick out what color I'm going to paint this thing. Alright guys, well there you have it. I painted this bug up to look just like my old bug. I'm gonna post a picture, probably right here, so you can tell that it actually looks like my old car. Man, this is awesome. Feels like I got my old car back. There she is. The Tijuana Taxi. Only on my RC channel. Alright guys, you have a good weekend.